The first thing is to create a new project. With our tools, creating a project is quite simple. Just run this command and put some parameters for the name. Then you can see that the whole backbone of your project is created right away. As you can see, here's an example of code that if you want, you can take this as it is because it has all that you need, and you can just go and create a new network and upload it. This is our infrastructure orchestrator, in which I am creating right now a new network called Supply World Network. I tell what blockchain technology I want to use, and since I don't have somebody to invite to my network, I'm going to create what we call a ghost organization, which is a testing organization, pretty much emulating another company. So in here I agree that some components will be created, therefore I will be charged for them. And right after a few minutes, I can see that my network has been deployed with all the infrastructure components. There's a default ledger already created when you create a network, so you can go in there and you can decide to upload your smart contract. We will use the example that we created previously, so we just need to fill a simple form to give the smart contract a name. Probably you will need a message to tell the other participants in your network why you want this code to be deployed. And then you just upload the code in a zip format and select which programming language you use for it and the smart contract version. In this case, it's the first one. Just like creating the network, you can go right ahead and deploy it. This will deploy also other components in your infrastructure. So after a few minutes, everything is ready for you. So your smart contract has been uploaded successfully and it is ready to be used by anybody in your network. Just a final check, let's go to your environment that was created right away, and you can see that you have control over every single component in your blockchain network. What we try to make sure is that your experience while you are creating your source code and when you are deploying it is as easy and smooth as possible. You don't have to be an expert to deploy a new smart contract system.